Starting around the 20th of April 2023, Jasmy coin really is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.45% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, or so they by and large thought. JASMY has a truly all-out market cap of $279,801,335 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $77,481,008, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. This basically makes Jasmy coin especially positioning at 128 in the digital money market, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2023, what will Jasmy coin in a real sense be genuinely worth in 2023? Is Jasmy coin an excellent speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 in a truly significant manner? Will JASMY cost essentially outperform its untouched high, or so they fundamentally thought? These generally are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for JASMY's future, or so they thought. Jasmy coin value expectation 2023, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. As per the Jasmy coin gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the JASMY cost explicitly is supposed to truly cross in every practical sense normal value level of $0. The normal least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to explicitly be $0. Exceptionally further appearance how this especially makes Jasmy coin positioning at 128 in the cryptographic money market in an unpretentious way. Besides, JASMY can especially arrive at a most extreme value level of $0, which basically is very critical. Jasmy coin value expectation April 2023. With respect to April 2023, Jasmy coin cost is estimate to arrive at a most minimal cost of $0, or so they explicitly thought. The JASMY cost could arrive at an especially greatest cost of $0, the typical expected cost around $0, which truly is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin value figure May 2023. The Jasmy coin value for May 2023 may in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely least worth of $0. The sort of greatest estimated cost generally is around $0 in unobtrusive manner. The essentially normal cost for JASMY generally is in a real sense anticipated to by and large reach $0 May 2023 in an extremely huge way. Jasmy coin value gauge June 2023. The Jasmy coin cost for June 2023 may especially arrive at an exceptionally least worth of $0. The essentially greatest gauge cost generally is around $0. The typical cost for JASMY fundamentally is generally anticipated to basically reach $0 June 2023, in opposition to prevalent thinking. JASMY value estimate July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin is gauged to by and large be at around a base worth of $0 in extremely significant manner. The Jasmy coin value worth can truly arrive at an especially limit of $0, the especially normal exchanging worth of $0 USD in a quite huge way. JASMY value figure August 2023. The Jasmy coin conjecture for August 2023 expects that the JASMY may especially arrive at a greatest worth of $0, a sort of least cost of around $0 in unobtrusive manner. Discussing the really normal value JASMY can by and large stretch around $0 August, which basically is genuinely critical. JASMY value estimate September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Jasmy coin by and large is supposed to for the most part arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $0 a huge manner. The JASMY cost could in a real sense arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $0, the essentially normal cost around $0. Jasmy coin value expectation October 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0. While the typical exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around $0 a kind of significant manner. JASMY value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Jasmy coin basically is estimated to fundamentally be at around and in every way that really matters, least worth of $0, demonstrating the way that the Jasmy coin value worth can for the most part arrive at a very limit of $0, the truly normal exchanging worth of $0 USD, which basically is genuinely huge. The Jasmy coin value worth can essentially arrive at a sort of limit of $0, the truly normal exchanging worth of $0 USD in an unobtrusive way. Jasmy coin value expectation December 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0 in unpretentious manner. While the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0, or so they thought. Jasmy coin past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been for the most part diminished by 5.42% in its ongoing worth, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Assuming we in every practical sense look at the kind of current market cap of the JASMY with yesterday's, you can basically see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down in a by and large huge manner. From certainly most recent 7 days, the JASMY truly was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 11% amazingly. Jasmy coin explicitly has shown exceptionally short areas of strength for of potential of late. And this could be excellent chance to dive right in and essentially put resources into a for the most part significant way by and large. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of JASMY truly diminished by 22.800%, disposing of an incredible genuinely normal amount of $0 its ongoing worth, which generally is genuinely critical. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a by and large great generally purchase a valuable open door for fast venture, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change essentially is around 46.43%, and the cost in a real sense coursed from a truly least extremely normal cost of $0 pretty greatest normal cost of $0 the genuinely beyond 90 days. In fundamentally most recent 4 months, Jasmy coin really has shown a developing pattern in an unpretentious manner. In this way, we really feel that comparable pieces of the market essentially were very famous at that period in an unobtrusive manner. As per the kind of the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Jasmy coin in a real sense is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost. The coin is up by 28.71%, with the exceptionally greatest typical cost of the coin in every practical sense was around $0. The by and large least truly normal cost of especially was around $0 genuinely beyond 4 months, exhibiting how this truly makes Jasmy coin kind of positioning at 128 in the digital currency market. Jasmy coin value conjecture 2023. What will really be Jasmy coin extremely worth in 2023, or so they explicitly thought. The JASMY cost certainly is determined to arrive at a greatest degree of $0 pretty least cost of $0 the finish of 2023 and in every way that really matters, enormous way. Does Jasmy coin in a real sense have a future in a very huge manner? As far as value, Jasmy coin generally has an extraordinary truly potential to arrive at new levels in a kind of significant manner by and large. It in a real sense is figure that JASMY will increment in esteem incredibly. As per kind of unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Jasmy coin can raise a ruckus around town all goals and purposes most exorbitant cost of 4 cents till 2030, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Is Jasmy coin genuinely worth purchasing in 2023? Which is very huge. Jasmy coin's worth is supposed to in every practical sense keep on extending, as deficiency will in general basically support cost rise, exhibiting how as per the Jasmy coin estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the JASMY cost truly is supposed to cross a kind of normal value level of $0. The normal in every practical sense, least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the very current year ought to fundamentally be $0. Truly further appearance how this in every practical sense makes Jasmy coin positioning at 128 in the cryptographic